How to make carousel post on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Instagram application. Once you open it up, go ahead and log in to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. And just like so, select post. So once you're inside the post section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon beside the camera icon, and after you tap onto it, you'll be able to select up to 20 photos on Instagram. So go ahead and choose the one that you would like to post on Instagram, and once it is done, tap on next. Like that, if you would want to make edits, tap on any of them, then tap on next again. After you're here, write the caption, tag people, add location, and add music. Once done, tap on share, and just like so, you will then be able to make carousel post on Instagram. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.